Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word herpetofauna in depth. First, the definition. Herpetofauna means the reptiles and amphibians of a particular region or time period. Think of it simply as the collection of all frogs, snakes, lizards, and salamanders in one place. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Herpetofauna traces back to Greek roots, meaning creeping animals, and dates back to the 19th century. Over time, it's been used by biologists and naturalists. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use herpetofauna in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The herpetofauna of the rainforest includes many species of frogs and snakes. Correct example 2. Scientists study the herpetofauna to understand local ecosystem health. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to herpetofauna my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using herpetofauna correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Herpetofauna means the reptiles and amphibians of a particular region or time period. It comes from Greek roots meaning creeping animals, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with herpetofauna down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.